Hey everybody, it's Mr. Rogers. So you're listening to this, and I'm in the room with you, which is kind of crazy. So if you want to take a look at me right now and make a weird face, I'll either remember I told you this in the beginning of the video, or I'll just be like, something's wrong over there. So we are gonna just show you how to open Solidworks, where it's at, some basic things that the tutorials don't really show you in the instructions that I give you off of YouTube. So if you go to your desktop, there should be a Solidworks 2019 somewhere on the desktop. I'm going to click it. Now, SolidWorks actually costs $3,000 per license in the real world. It costs about $300 as an educator. So each one, like your program on the computer in front of you, costs $300. So we're going to use it a lot. We're going to learn how to use it. This is what we use in the actual engineering world. Now, you can see last year I have a bunch of things that kids made, a collection of different things. Okay, you're going to make a bunch of stuff, but first we're going to learn how to do it by doing YouTube tutorials. So when you open it up, this is what you see, and you'll see there's a home, there's a recent, there's a learn, there's alerts. Usually we'll use YouTube instead of their learn. Their learn is okay, but YouTube is just, I can pick and choose what I want to do. The recent shows you what you recently worked on, and then the home, you can pick a new part is usually what you're going to click, or you can open something. I'm going to click a recent one. You're not going to have any recent ones, but I just want you to see an item that was made. So let's scroll down. Someone made, let's see here. We'll pick, this is Riley's. Riley made a ghost keychain thing for Halloween last year. As you can see, it's a ridiculous looking ghost. Okay. Little keychain guy. So what we can do with this is we can save things. Everything is kind of hidden in SolidWorks. You can either click these guys, or you can click the arrow up there. So arrow, you go file, you can open things, make new things, save as. I can save as Riley's ghost keychain part, save, that type of thing. I can replace it. Woo. And then also the important thing I want to show you is if I ever say, hey, we're going to print this 3D, like if we're going to print this ghost, you go to print 3D, this thing pops up on the side, then kids get all confused. They're like, what's going on? And I get that because this is kind of confusing. All you have to do is scroll down, and you have to hit this little tiny arrow down here, and you save file as an STL. Save file. There you go. And now we have it. Okay. And now we can actually take it to the slicer. Now, besides that, you'll see that there is always this bar on this side. You have things like history, like the last couple of things that Riley's done. I can actually see what he has done to make this ghost. So there's like the different parts. We're going to talk about what front plane is, top plane, and right plane is another day. Like I can move it around and stuff like that. These are the different things that he has cut into it. Okay, so if I click that, that is the outer ring here. Okay, if I click this guy, that's the inner ghost. So this is a very important part. You're going to use this side a lot. You don't really use this side as much on this side of the screen, the right side of the screen, just so you're aware. And realistically, you're only really going to use features, sketch, and that's about it. We don't really get into a lot of these other things because this is very, very technical things that it's a little bit above our heads. So we really stick with feature, sketch, and maybe a little bit here. But that's SolidWorks. You guys are going to go through tutorials. I know, like, I'm going to throw you in the deep end. That's my move in this class. There's no wasting time. I'm going to make it hard right away, and you're going to struggle, but that's okay. It's okay to struggle. And I promise you we'll get through it together. So I hope that at least gets you into SolidWorks, gets you kind of aligned with what different things are, and I hope that will lead you to success in it. So I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you.